In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract butter from the cream that we get from the milk every day in just 1 minute. Making butter at home is not only easy but also very economical, especially when you have plenty of cream at home. Homemade butter is very delicious and flavorful. Once you learn how to make butter at home, I'm sure you'll not buy butter from the stores. I use homemade butter for all my dishes. I rarely buy butter or ghee outside and prefer to use homemade butter and ghee. Homemade butter is also free from any preservatives. So today I'm going to share you a very easy method to extract butter from the cream. To start this recipe, you have to take around 1/4 cup of yogurt in a airtight box. And whenever you get cream from the milk, extract it with a spoon and put it in the yogurt or curd and then mix it well. And close the box with a lid. Nowadays kids don't like to eat the cream, so we just strain it using the strainer and give them the strained milk. So in that method also we get the cream in the strainer. So you collect the cream, and every time you collect the cream from the milk using the spoon or in the strainer, and then just put it in the box and mix it well. Now I have collected this cream for 1 week. So the method is very simple. To start with, we are going to take 1/4 cup of curd in an airtight box, and whenever you get cream from the milk, you are going to put the cream and mix it well. Every time you collect the milk, you have to put it in the box and mix it well. You have to store this box in room temperature and not in fridge. If you store it in the fridge, then the extracted buttermilk will not be in good flavor. It will be bitter. But if you put it in room temperature, the buttermilk that you get after extracting the butter will be good in taste and you can consume it, and you need not have to waste it. So now I am going to add all the cream that I have collected for 1 week in a mixer jar, and I am going to blend it for around 1 to 2 minutes. Don't blend it for more time, otherwise butter can melt. So just blend it for 2 minutes. Add around 1 cup of water and then blend it for 2 minutes. After blending for 1 minute, check the content. If you see the butter settling on the top, then stop at that point. Now I have blended this for 2 minutes, and you can see already the butter is getting separated from the buttermilk. So at this stage, stop pulsing it, and now you are going to pour it in a vessel or a bowl, and then you are going to add around 1 liter of water to this. Now you are going to also add some ice cubes along with the water. If you have ice cold water at home, then you can also add ice cold water in place of ice cubes. I don't have ice cold water, so I'm adding ice cubes. Now you're going to extract the butter, and the resultant liquid that is remaining in the vessel is your buttermilk. Once you add water, then you're going to keep it closed for around 15 to 20 minutes until you see all the butter has settled on the top. After 15 minutes, you can see the butter is already separated and the buttermilk is at the bottom. Now your work is just to collect the butter with your hands. You can squeeze all the butter from the buttermilk and collect only the butter with your hands. The residual buttermilk that you get from the cream is very good in taste and has lots of probiotic content and is very gut friendly and very healthy for our consumption. See how easily I am able to collect the butter with just 1 minute of pulsing it in the mixie. I have collected butter so easily. Now you can see I have collected all the butter and kept the buttermilk ready to consume. Now butter, you can store it in the fridge and make ghee whenever you're free, or you can consume the butter as is. You can spread it nicely onto a bread and make cookies or any other desserts using this butter. If you want to give shape to your butter, then you can just store it in a rectangle shaped box and then cut it as and when required. Now I'm going to make ghee from the butter that I have extracted. So I have taken a pan. It's better to take a heavy bottom pan. Now I'm adding all the butter that I collected previous day. Keep the stove flame medium and let the butter melt. Now you can see all the butter is melted and it is boiling. Now you switch the flame from medium to low and let the butter melt. Now you can see that butter is already melted and solids are getting settled. At this stage, I'm going to add betel leaves in this to get a very good flavor to the ghee. Keep the flame low and keep stirring intermittently until you get the ghee. Now I'm adding 1 betel leaf and intermittently I'm stirring it. Now the butter is almost boiling for around 10 minutes now. As the content of the ghee that we're making is very less, around 100 to 150 ml. So it will not take much time. So from butter to ghee, it will take only around 10 minutes. Now you can see the ghee is already formed and milk solids are settled at the bottom. This is the right stage when you're going to switch off the flame and let this vessel sit on the stove for around 10 minutes until the ghee is little cool, and then you're going to transfer it into a glass jar. After cooling for 10 minutes, I'm going to filter it using a strainer. Ta-da! So here is around 150 ml of ghee that I've made from cream that I used to just trash it. I hope you like this simple homemade butter and ghee recipe. To see more such interesting content on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is going to encourage me to make more such beautiful recipes. Thank you.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.